Bundy's Garage, Bundy here. Hey, today we're working on a Whirlpool Cabrio washer. This is not my usual automotive repair videos, but this goes into an F51 error code that you get on these washers. I experienced this and I just wanted to go over it with you guys. So to get the code, you actually have to clear all the buttons off so there's nothing on the screen. Then you go ahead and you hold down a button, any button, for 4 seconds. Then you release it for 4 seconds. Hold it down for 4 seconds, and release it for 4 seconds, and then you hold it until the screen, all the lights light up on the home screen. So you see an 88 right there. Now I'll actually flash the code, so it says F51. F51 is a motor rotor position sensor. This will work on Maytag, Whirlpool. This sensor actually sits at the bottom of the washer, and I actually just push this thing back up onto its side just to gain access to it. So what you're looking at there is the bottom of the washer. That's the actual rotor, and then underneath the rotor is the stator. It takes a 1/4 inch Allen wrench to get the screw out or bolt out that holds the rotor on. You just righty-tighty, lefty-loosey to get this thing off. You can actually, there's a hole in the rotor. You can actually stick a screwdriver through to actually hold the rotor in place if it's really stuck on there. At the end, I actually put some grease on the bolt, just if I ever had to do the job again. It just makes it that much easier to get the bolt out. I'm just unscrewing it there, and you're going to work the rotor out off the stator. It is magnetic, so it wants to hold on to the stator a little bit. Word of caution is when you guys are working around the stator, when you get it free and clear, just be careful. These things are pretty expensive. It's a copper wire bundle. If any of those wires get damaged, then there goes the stator. You're not going to be able to use it again. So just unscrewing it there by hand and just working it off, working the rotor off the stator. Like I said, it's kind of holding on there by a magnetic force. So there you can see the stator right there. The sensor, the motor rotor position sensor, actually sits on the back side. I'll get to it in a second. There's 4 bolts that go into a retaining ring, and there is my dog Jet coming into the picture. I actually mark a lot of the stuff with a Sharpie here. I mark the ring holding onto the stator, that holds the stator on, I should say, just so I know. I wasn't sure when I took it apart if it would have to go onto a specific in a specific direction when I reinstalled it. And then I also marked the stator to the I want to say there's a plastic plastic bin on top. It takes a 3/8 socket to get this to get the 4 bolts out. So I mark the stator relative to the bottom of the dishwasher, just so I know that when I put it back in, it's at the same exact position. And then I'll mark the retaining ring, the 4-bolt retaining ring as well, just so I know which side it was on, and if, like I said, if it has to go in a specific spot when you reinstall everything. The ring didn't have to go in a specific spot, so that's a good thing. So there I'm just showing you the 4 bolts. I'm getting those free and clear. Like I said, when you're working on the stator, just be very careful. Don't damage it. It's an expensive piece of, it's an expensive part, I should say. I've seen them anywhere from about $160 to about $300 if you damage it. If you're trying to save money by doing it yourself, you definitely don't want to damage the stator. So once you get those 4 bolts out in that retaining clip, the stator comes right down. And right there's the sensor I'm talking about. So at the top, kind of right where my hand is, there's 3 clips, or there's a clip I should say, that actually connects to the windings, the copper windings on the stator. And then the black part is actually the motor rotor position sensor. Yeah, so you move that clip out of the way, and then you get to the sensor. In my case, the sensor can either be, there's a little circuit board on the sensor that can be burned up. If you see like black marks or brown marks on the circuit board of the sensor, then typically that needs to be replaced. I mark that right there so I could tell exactly where the sensor goes into place. So there's a little pin, little connector there. You just push that pin in. It connects to a 6-wire connector. You just push that pin in and pull it out at the same time. But yeah, like I was saying, if the circuit board on the sensor is burnt, you're probably gonna have to replace the sensor. In my case, it was just dirty, so all I did was clean the pickups. You'll see it when you get in there, and it'll make more sense. But once you remove the sensor, you can actually look and see on the very ends there's two little magnetic, it looks like magnetic pickups, and those were actually dirty. One side was actually really dirty, and I think, well, I know that's what was throwing the code. So I didn't actually have to replace the sensor. If I had to, you can actually buy the sensor on Amazon. And then there's the part number. So right here I'm showing you a picture of the sensor and those two clips where the yellow marks are. If you get a little screwdriver, two little screwdrivers, you go underneath there and you pop those up at the same time, and the sensor pulls straight up and out. So if you need to replace the sensor, that's how you get it off. Or if you need to clean it like I did in my case, that's how you get the sensor off as well. It'll make more sense when you get in there. There's two little clips that hold that thing on. Try not to break those clips, because that's what's used to hold the sensor onto the stator. The stator doesn't move. Actually, the rotor moves around the stator, so it's kind of a unique design. So there's the sensor. You can actually see that circuit board. So look in there, get a flashlight, make sure that none of those connectors are burnt up, and the solderings are loose. On the two far left ends, that's where the sensor pickups are. In my case, they were dirty, so I had to clean them. You can use rubbing alcohol to clean those up, just plain rubbing alcohol. But if that circuit board is burnt or cracked or damaged anyway, you might need to go ahead and replace that sensor. And if you try cleaning it and you get the code back, you're probably gonna have to go ahead and replace the sensor. Replace the motor rotor position sensor anyways. So there I'm just putting it back on, just slides back in from the top, clips back down. You can find the part on Amazon. Just there's usually a tag on it, little sticker that gives the part number. The part number that I came up with mine, but just double check yours, was W10178988. And you also need your model number of the washer as well. So I found that inside the drum. So just reinstalling all the connections there. Got the sensor back on. Got the three wire connector for the stator. Just getting it back up into place. Putting the retaining ring back in. Putting the 4 3/8 bolts back into place. Just hand tighten those. I go around in a star pattern to make sure that they're even torque on all 4 bolts. And once I get that, you actually bring in the rotor, the plastic rotor, and put it back in place with the 1/4-inch Allen wrench. One thing to note is make sure the stator is clean and the rotor is clean, that there's no particles or debris on the magnetic pickup ends, on the ends of the stators right there, or the copper windings, or on the inside of the rotor, because if there is, you're going to get a weird whining sound. So right here I'm just showing you that I ran it through the due diligence. I ran it through a wash load, and I didn't get F51 back again. So there you go, guys. This job isn't hard at all. Like I said, this will work on. This is actually done on a Whirlpool Cabrio. It'll work on mag tag washers as well. But yeah, if you come up with F51, it is most likely your motor rotor position sensor. So you can either try cleaning it. If that doesn't work, go ahead and replace it. So hope you guys have found this video helpful, and just giving you a thumbs up there. If you guys need help on automotive repair, check out my other videos on my channel on Bundy's Garage. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to Bundy's Garage on YouTube. Questions, comments, concerns, you can always reach out to me at bundysgarage@gmail.com. You can follow me on Twitter at Bundy's Garage. And like always, I'll keep them rolling for you.